In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add another wallet in Coinbase Wallet. You can add as many wallet you want on Coinbase Wallet in just few simple steps. To do this, head to Coinbase. You want to tap on your current wallets right here. Now head to Add and Manage Wallets. You will then select onto this option of Create New Wallet. Select Recovery Phrase. It's the easiest for this case. Tap on Continue, and then also copy your recovery phrase to Clipboard and maybe save to the Notes app. Now tap on Backup manually and select the first word and the last word of your recovery phrase. Once done, enter your wallet passcode to verify changes. Another wallet will get created successfully. Well, that's how easy it is to create another wallet in Coinbase Wallet. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.